Booth Surname Meaning in History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: it is an English and Scottish topographical surname denoting a person who lived in or near a cowhouse or herdsman's hut, derived from an Old English word which in turn derived from an Old Danish word. Early bearers included Odo de la Booth in Norwich in 1291, Gilbert del Bothe in Wakefield in 1297, Roger del Bothe in Yorkshire in 1379, along with Adam del Bothe, and Margeria del Bothe in Yorkshire in 1379. Knighthoods included Sir William Booth in 1347, Sir John Bowthe in 1482, Sir William Booth in 1497, Sir William Booth in 1577, Sir George Booth in 1599, Robert Booth in 1668, Sir William Booth, captain in the Navy, knighted in 1682, Sir John Bowthe of Woodford, knighted in 1684, Sir Charles Booth of Stede Hill, Sheriff of Kent, knighted in 1784, and Sir Henry Booth, Lieutenant Colonel, in 1835. Noble titles held included the Booth Baronetcy of Dunham Massey in the county of Chester, created in the Baronetage of England in 1611 for Sir George Booth, High Sheriff of both Lancashire and Cheshire. Here we see Dunham Massey. Also, Sir George Booth, the second baronet, was raised to the peerage of England as Baron Delamere of Dunham Massey in the county of Chester in the year 1661. Sir Henry Booth, the second Baron Delamere, served as Chancellor of the Exchequer and was created Earl of Warrington in the peerage of England in 1690. The Booth Baronetcy of Portland Place in the county of London was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1835 for the wealthy gin distiller Sir Felix Booth. The title became extinct on the death of the third baronet, Sir Charles Booth, in 1896. Landed gentry included Booth of Glendon Hall in County Northampton, England, and Hayworth Booth of Holbank and of Royalston Hall, both in Yorkshire. Notables included Catherine Booth, born 1883, a Salvation Army officer, and one of the 7 children born to General Bramwell Booth, who we see here. William Bramwell Booth was a Salvation Army officer, Christian and British charity worker, who was the first chief of staff and the second general of the Salvation Army, succeeding his father William Booth, who we see here. William Booth, born 1829, was an English Methodist preacher who, along with his wife Catherine, founded the Salvation Army and became its first general. John Wilkes Booth was an American stage actor who assassinated the United States President Abraham Lincoln in 1865. Henry Booth, born 1789, was a secretary, treasurer, and later general manager to the Liverpool and Manchester Railway. And lastly, Sherman Miller Booth, born 1812, was an abolitionist editor and politician in Wisconsin who was instrumental in forming the Liberty Party, the Free Soil Party, and the Republican Party. Early settlers included Reynolds, Elizabeth, Henry, and John Booth, who came to Virginia around the year 1623, and William Booth, who came to Nova Scotia, Canada in 1749. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.